So, in the spirit of open source, we'll be releasing some new videos on Godot.
More than a decade ago, a video got uploaded to YouTube. What appeared to be an innocent video on how to move a cube on a screen, no one would have imagined what these kind of videos could accomplish over the years. And little did we know that this video could change the entire game industry on YouTube, because right after that video, more videos of this kind came right after, and before we knew it, we had a whole series on how to press buttons to build amazing cool games. And Brackeys became one of the best well-known educational YouTube channels on the planet, because he found the magic wand at simplifying game development for many developers using the popular game engine of the past decade, Unity. Yes, before it turned its back on us, Unity was loved by many, and I mean a plethora of developers across the world wanted to get their hands on this money-making piece of software, and Brackeys showed them just how to get their hands dirty and straight to work to build amazing games and earn a living. And who would have thought that one day Brackeys would leave and never come back? And 10 years later, Brackeys packed his bags and disappeared on us. And 3 years after that, the words Brackeys will never come back looked so promising until today. And ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to announce that Brackeys is back, and just like he abandoned us before, he has abandoned Unity in favor of our rising star, Godot.